We are arrived near the limit of Antanetiambo. You can speak a little about Antanetiambo here. Antanetiambo is the part of forest you see just beside there, near the limit. Antanetiambo means how mountain. It's not very high, but compared to the flat land, it is the highest area here. So, after some minutes, you will arrive at the entrance of Antanetiambo, and you will follow the trail in the forest. Sa mga pulgres para niyag marinyaza. Langnet pala sa sumadin. In 1998, the natural reserve Rabary has been transformed into national park, ready to receive visitors from far away. And I was a guide at that time. Later, the WWF have given more information about conservation of biodiversity, about ecotourism in this region. And we have been sent to Réunion to study mainly about conservation and the development, the ecotourism development. When I came back, I've decided to have a little reserve, because there I have seen a small reserve of 7 hectares, ecotouristic reserve. So I've noticed that it's possible then to make a small reserve. That's for the conservation of some species of biodiversity, like here. It is not a large reserve, but it's sufficient to protect some group of bamboo lemur, microcelis, reptiles and amphibians, and some birds also. I've bought it little by little, and sometimes visitors give some more money beside the salary being a guide. You protect some forest, this is for you. So I was able to buy more. But the sound is d'accord. Then voilà. I can done with diab. Yeah, let us come now. So the ecotourism is very important for money. Secondly, for the production of rice also. If there is no forest here, for example, surely sand will go down to destroy rice fields. And with ecotourism also, the future generation will have more chance to see again this biodiversity like bamboo lemur in this region. There are little forests saved around Antanetiambo. So if they want, local people want to have firewood, they remember Antanetiambo. There are many firewood there. And if they want to make a little house, everywhere, rice field, no wood, Antanetiambo, there are many. And for example, they want to have medicinal plants, even like tea, to make tea. As you see down there, is just water and rice field, nothing more. So, Antanetiambo, surely I'll come there when Desire is not there. But I'll cut just a little part of it, because in fact I don't want to destroy it, but I need it. So for this reason, it's difficult to protect it. So I ask them not to destroy it. But their need is really there also. Luckily, they feel that if their son, their daughter, are involved in activity like ecotourism, working in Antanetiambo, working in Madagascar, working in material projects, they'll have money to buy other things as an alternative. And village people, local people, work with me to protect it. There is no guardian here, no surveyor, but it's local people that work with me. They are happy to see visitors from far away sometimes coming here. Even not so often, but they are happy of it.